What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Healthy Cooking with Lena. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're gonna go ahead and make some good old-fashioned chili tonight. So let's get to it. The first thing we're gonna need is obviously some ground beef. I'm cooking mine already. Sorry, I'm a little ahead of you guys there. All right. You're going to need these ingredients. So garlic salt, black pepper, onion powder, which is my favorite, chili powder. This is going to keep our chili nice and heated. And of course, some cayenne pepper. You're also going to need some tomato sauce. I got mine already simmering. I'm going to put that on a low heat. Tomato sauce I use is right here. It's by Happy Harvest. It's also vegan. So we got that simmering right now. You're also going to need some kidney beans. Dark, light, whichever ones. I'm going ahead to drain my meat right now. I'm going to go back, season up my tomato sauce. And I'm only using the seasonings that I have. Whatever amount you like to use, that's totally up to you. I like a lot of seasoning in my stuff, specifically pepper and onion powder. So I'm going to go ahead and add a lot of that. But add what you like. And just so you know, cayenne pepper and the chili powder, that's what's going to make your chili a little spicier. So if you like hot things, there you go. This is my tomato paste, guys. You need 1 small can of tomato paste. Make sure you add that in there and stir it up good. This is going to thicken your chili. It's really important that your chili's thick because you don't want watery chili, or at least I don't know about you guys, but we're supposed to be healthy cooking, okay? So let's make sure we got some thick chili instead of some watery chili. All right, I'm going to add my ground beef, since it's already drained, to my tomato sauce. I'm going to drain my kidney beans out. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but kidney beans carry this thick, brown, like fluid to it. So I always rinse and see, as you can see, it's right there. It's really nasty. The beans, you can feel it. It's really slimy when they're not washed off. So wash them under some cool water. Let them just sit for a minute. Make sure they're really clean because it's nasty. I'm going to come back over here and stir up my ground beef. All right. Let it get into that tomato sauce. We're going to go back and make sure our kidney beans are ready to be added to the pot. As you see, I'm twinkling my fingers through to make sure they're not slimy or anything like that. Go ahead and add your beans if you feel like they're clean. We're going to stir them all up in there. And before we stir, we're going to add more pepper and more seasoning. My kids like everything spicy, so I'm going to add just a little bit more chili powder and cayenne pepper to the chili just to give it that kick. And of course, a lot of onion powder. Go ahead and stir that up. And by the way, I don't know if I mentioned this. I probably didn't because my memory is horrible. But while you're cooking your chili, after you add the ground beef in, your chili should be on a medium heat. That way, I say a medium-high heat. That way, as you're stirring, you can tell that the color is changing because it's thickening. And by the time you stir for about 5 minutes, your chili's done. So just make sure you're got your stove on medium heat while you're cooking. And there you guys go. Thanks for watching this video, you guys. Stay tuned for more healthy cooking with Lena.